There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa.
What's going on, guys? Rebuilds NI here. Come back on a new video. Just a real quick simple video. Just progress update this here car. Some of you may know it was hidden in the garage about 2 weeks ago, just in the corner. I said I would record painting it, but I didn't. And as you can see, the whole car's painted, all repaired, all wee minor dents. There's a wee dent in that door still, but it's all painted. Got these tinted taillights. Tell me what you think of them. I don't know, I'm in two minds with them. I like them and I don't, but got the twin pipes. They need flipped around. I've actually put them the wrong way, that's why they're so low. But yeah, I've this car booked in for MOT on the 2nd of June. If some of you don't know, she's only a 1.9 105 brake TDI diesel. Now I've got big plans for this car, really big plans, really big plans. She's going for a remap, so she'll be getting hard cut limiter, rake sensor, and she'll be getting a stage 1. Now I can go for a stage 2, but I'll have to put a EGR delete on her, so I might just get the stage 2 delete and maybe even get stage 3. See what we can get this car sitting up, because I love it. It's extremely lovely looking car now, as it's all colour coded and freshly painted and stuff. But if you want to see more videos in this here car, make sure you do hit the like button, because there's plenty to come. I don't know about these wheels. I don't know. Let me know. I know she needs lowered that back, but I can't put her any lower at the minute, as she needs to be raised for MOT. But anyway, guys, this is just a wee quick video, just a wee progress update in this car. As you did see it about 2 weeks ago, just sitting in the corner of the garage, looking pretty rough, as I must say. It's absolutely looking far better now. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. And this is Rebuilds NI out.